Our bodies are complex, beautiful machines, and we need to fuel them right to keep them running smoothly. One key component is collagen, the protein that keeps skin supple, hair strong, and joints healthy. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles, weaker hair, and stiffer joints. But here is the good news. You can support your body's collagen levels with what you drink. Today, we're exploring 8 delicious, nutrient-packed beverages that help boost collagen production or protect what you already have. We all know you are what you eat, but let's add a twist. You are what you drink. Imagine sipping your way to glowing, youthful skin. Ready to drink up and glow up? Let's dive in. First up, green tea lemonade. This refreshing mix combines earthy green tea with zesty lemon for a thirst-quenching powerhouse. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins like EGCG, which fight free radicals and help preserve existing collagen in your skin. It also supports hydration and metabolism. Add lemon, bursting with vitamin C, the essential nutrient for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C links amino acids to form collagen's strong triple helix structure, fights sun and pollution damage, reduces wrinkles, and improves skin texture. Together, they enhance each other's benefits. Vitamin C boosts green tea antioxidant absorption. Quick recipe: brew a cup of green tea, cool it, squeeze in half a lemon's juice. Add a teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness, pour over ice, stir and enjoy. It's a delicious daily skin treatment in a glass. Next, bone broth. This timeless staple is making a comeback as liquid collagen. Simmer animal bones and connective tissue for hours, and you release collagen that breaks down into gelatin. Rich in proline and glycine, key building blocks for your body's own collagen production. Gelatin also supports gut lining repair, aiding digestion, and potentially helping with leaky gut. It contains glycosaminoglycans like hyaluronic acid and chondroitin for joint protection and skin moisture, giving that plump, youthful look. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, along with anti-inflammatory amino acids such as arginine and glutamine. A warm cup soothes like traditional soup, comforting, low-calorie, and great for skin, joints, and overall health. Who's ready for a cozy mug? Third, berry collagen smoothie. Shake up your routine with this tasty treat that nourishes from the inside. Add a scoop of collagen, powder marine, bovine, or vegan, to directly supplement peptides that studies show improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles and dryness, ease joint pain, and support muscle and bone health. Blend in berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries packed with vitamin C for collagen synthesis, plus antioxidants that shield skin from free radical damage, reduce inflammation, and promote a youthful glow. They're high in fiber for weight management too. Throw in a banana for creamy texture, natural sweetness, extra vitamin C, and vitamin A to keep skin moisturized. It's refreshing, sweet, and an easy way to boost collagen while feeling great. Fourth, aloe vera juice. Often in skincare, aloe is just as powerful when drunk. Research, including a Journal of Ethnopharmacology study, shows ingesting aloe vera gel ramps up collagen production. Another in Annals of Dermatology found it improved wrinkles and elasticity in women over 45.
Likely from boosted collagen and better hydration. It aids digestion with natural enzymes, supports liver detox, may help regulate blood sugar, and delivers vitamin C for extra collagen and immunity perks. Choose pure, organic juice, no added sugars. Drink it straight or mix into smoothies for a health kick.
Fun fact: of 400 aloe species, aloe vera tops for medicinal use. It's more than a trend, it's a collagen-boosting, hydrating superstar. Fifth, strawberry and mint-infused water. This pretty, Instagram-ready drink makes hydration exciting while supporting skin. Strawberries deliver vitamin C, vital for combining proline and lysine into procollagenate, the collagen precursor. Infusing lets vitamins seep into the water for subtle benefits. Mint adds vitamin A to stimulate new skin cells, smooth fine lines, and soothe irritation with its cooling menthol. Together, they aid digestion and detox while encouraging more water intake, key for plump skin. Easy prep: add fresh strawberries and mint leaves to a pitcher of water, infuse a few hours or overnight. It's light, tasty, and a simple collagen-friendly addition to your day. Sixth, chia seeds and orange juice. This dynamic duo packs nutrition in every sip. Fresh orange juice overflows with vitamin C, often over 100%.
All you need is in glass.
for effective collagen synthesis and protecting against oxidative damage. Chia seeds bring antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids for hydrated glowing skin, protein for amino acid building blocks, and fiber for gut health. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia in a glass of squeezed orange juice. Let sit 15 minutes to gel and enjoy the balanced, nutty sweet flavor. It's refreshing, nutrient-dense, and works synergistically to support collagen and well-being. 7th, ginger turmeric latte, aka golden milk. This warm, spicy comfort drink has a golden reputation. Turmeric's curcumin stimulates fibroblasts to increase collagen production, promotes wound healing, and fights inflammation and oxidation to protect collagen. Ginger's gingerol adds potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory power. Black pepper boosts curcumin absorption. Benefits extend to immunity, digestion, reduced muscle soreness, and heart health. It's caffeine-free, it's perfect as a cozy nightcap. Heat milk or plant-based, stir in turmeric, ginger, a pinch of black pepper, and sweetener pure golden goodness for your skin. 8th, avocado and pineapple smoothie. This tropical blend is practically a meal in a glass. Avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats for skin moisture, vitamin E as an antioxidant, and vitamin C for collagen creation. Pineapple adds more vitamin C plus bromelain enzymes for digestion, manganese, and vitamin A. The combo delivers fiber for blood sugar and cholesterol control. For an extra boost, stir in collagen powder. Blend avocado, pineapple chunks, a bit of liquid, refreshing, filling, and collagen supportive. Ideal post-workout or a quick healthy meal. There you have it, 8 fantastic drinks to help maintain vibrant, youthful skin and strong joints. Incorporate them into your routine alongside balanced eating, hydration, and sun protection for the best results. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below, maybe your favorite or one we missed. If this helped, share with friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay curious, keep glowing, everyone. We'll see you next time. Cheers.